कितनी बड़ी नेमत है। जिसके वालिदैन बिछड़ जाते हैं, रब को प्यारे हो जाते हैं, वही वालिदैन की कदर कीमत को पहचानता है। बहुत ही कम खुश नसीब हैं जो दुनिया में वालिदैन की मौजूदगी में वालिदैन की कदर पहचान जाते हैं। जब ये नेमत छिन जाती है, फिर समझ नहीं आती क्या करें। लोग चाहते हैं अपने वालिदैन के लिए कुछ करें, उनकी मग़फ़िरत के लिए, उनकी अगली ज़िंदगी की बेहतरी के लिए। दुआ कर लीजिए, रब्बना इग़फ़िर ली वली वालिदैया वलिल मुअमिनीना यौम यक़ूमुल हिसाब। ए हमारे रब, मुझे बख्श दीजिए और मेरे वालिदैन को और तमाम मोमिनों को जिस दिन हिसाब कायम होगा। या अल्लाह, हम सबको माफ़ कर दीजिए, हम सबको बख्श दीजिए। दुआ कर लीजिए। दुआ इबादत है, दुआ हिफाजत है, दुआओं का हिसार है, दुआओं पर इन्हिसार है।
My brothers, my sisters, why did Allah keep it such that we have to take care of these children, and if we don't, they won't even survive? Because Allah Almighty wants the link, and Allah Almighty wants there to be a connection such that when you grow older, they should take care of you. Subhanallah, subhanallah, it's amazing. And that's why the dua that is taught for us to make for our parents is Rabbi irhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Oh Allah, have mercy on them, because they are the ones who brought me up when I was little. Subhanallah, subhanallah. So you always remember the favor they bestowed upon you, or that Allah bestowed upon you by giving them that strength, and they did it for you. Subhanallah, they did it for you. So do it for them when they're old.
Can I say Rabbi ighfirli wali waliday? The answer is yes. This is general dua. You can say that 24/7. There's no problem in that. Or you recite the one in chapter 17, Surah Al-Isra. And you can also ask general dua, like I had just done. Expand her grave, oh Allah, fill it with fragrances of Jannah, etc. All of this during the day time, the night time, it's permissible. Now, reciting the Quran is an issue of dispute, and the most authentic opinion is that this is not permissible. You cannot recite the Quran and accredit a living person or a dead person with what you had just recited. This is not transferable. It's not something that I can provide. It's not like praying 2 rak'ahs and say, okay, I give this to my grandfather. No, this is not permissible. This is an innovation, and it's not accepted. What is accepted? 1, dua. Any dua you want for your mother. Oh Allah Azza wa Jal, fill her grave with light, with fragrances from Jannah, forgive her sins. Any dua. It's all accepted. 2, charity. So you see someone who's poor, you give them money, and you intend that this is on behalf of your mom. Done. You build a masjid, this is on behalf of your mom. Done. You support an Islamic TV channel or radio station or da'wah center for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal and to benefit your mom. Done. Also, you can perform umrah and give it to your mom if you have performed umrah prior to that once at least, or hajj with the same conditions. If you cannot come, you can sponsor a person who's a local and say, listen, this is money. I'd like you to perform umrah or hajj on behalf of my mom, and this is your money, your fee. This is also permissible, and all of this would reach her with the grace of Allah.